I had the perfect husband, but I betrayed him. What happens when a perfect marriage is broken by one wrong choice? Jessica had everything: a loving husband, a happy home, but one mistake changed it all. This is not just a story of betrayal. It's a story of guilt, pain, and a love that may never heal. Watch till the end to feel every emotion. My name is Jessica. I have been married to Robert for 7 years. He is a very good man. He loves me, takes care of me, and always makes me feel special. We have a peaceful life, and people think we are a perfect couple. But something was missing inside me. One day I got a new job. At my office, I met a man named Adrian. He was different from Robert. He was very confident, fun, and charming. He always made people laugh. And when he looked at me, I felt something new. At first, we just talked. We had coffee breaks, shared jokes, and smiled. Then, he started saying nice things about me. My smile, my eyes, my voice. I knew I was married, but I liked the way he made me feel. Robert was always kind, but busy. Our life had become a little boring. I started missing the feeling of being wanted, of feeling special. One rainy evening, almost everyone left the office early. Adrian offered me a ride home. I said yes. In the car, we talked and laughed. Then, he touched my hand. I didn't stop him. He looked at me, I looked back, and I made a mistake. That night, I cheated on Robert. When I reached home, Robert had made dinner for me. He smiled and said, "Welcome home, Jess. Let's eat." I smiled back, but inside, I felt pain. My heart was full of guilt. I stopped meeting Adrian after that. I blocked him. I wanted to forget everything, but I couldn't forget what I had done. Every time I saw Robert's face, I felt like crying. He trusted me. He loved me. And I broke that trust. One night, I told him everything. I cried and said, "I'm sorry, Robert. I made a big mistake. I betrayed you." He was silent. He didn't shout. He just looked at me with tears in his eyes. That hurt more than any words. I don't know if he will ever forgive me. I don't know if I can forgive myself. But I will carry this guilt forever. I loved him, and I hurt him. And now I live with that pain every day.